On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter Gang. Happy Friday, everybody. Bitcoin's dumping. Wild. Very wild. Pumping, dumping. Everywhere. We'll see where it gets to. Happy Friday. We got news today. What's going on, everybody? Good morning. Good to see you. Bitcoin rolling over right now. Very choppy, sporadic price action. Coming into a buy level right now. Rolling over. Very aggressive. Very, very aggressive. Hopefully you're all having a beautiful morning. Hopefully you're all short. This area was given in advance. I mean, if you're up at 5 in the morning, or in my case, 3 in the morning, you're rich. It's this 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning dump. I think this is coming back, man. I think it's coming back. Wild. We'll see if we get some bottoming structure in here right now, but holy smokes, what's going on, everybody? How was your trading this week? I'm break even this week. It's been a roller coaster. I think it was like, for me, Monday, Tuesday, 4,000, 4,000. And then Wednesday, minus 2,000. Yesterday, minus 3,000. So I'm up like maybe 2K. Maybe. I shut it down yesterday. I didn't want to give too much back. I was getting upset with myself. I mean, 2K for the week. I guess that's not break even. It feels like break even for me though. It feels like break even, which is fine. How's everybody else doing? It feels like it gotten nowhere, you know? Maybe we change it today. Looking for a bounce out of here. Very sporadic price action. I like this area though. Maybe we give it a whirl. We start off on the right foot today. Let's get, man, we haven't gotten long right off the hop here. Let's try it today. Why don't we try it today? Could we consider a long here? Yeah, we can. And we will. Can we bounce back or no? I don't think so. Not yet. Not yet. Let's see what happens here on the 1 minute. See if it wants to push. It's pretty aggressive. Chop, 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 and then dump, right? So most likely continuation down here. However, we do have an order block tap in here. Down into our little guy. Just aggressive. We don't want to long this just yet. It seems like we're rolling over and we're coming into news data today. Is it coming down to send it up, or is it going down to send it to zero? That's always the question. I might long here. Let's do it. Let's long here. See if we can retest these previous highs here, or previous lows. See if we can push back. Nice. Stop loss to entry. Oh my God, we're starting off with $100 trade. Okay. Nice pushback here, retesting the lows now. Now this is where either it recovers right here, right? We tap the lows. Either it recovers here and it comes back into the range and then it chops here, right? So with this, we have a buy level here, right? We have the lows. So either we recover and then we chop in the range and then we push up. Okay? Or it gets rejected where we're at right now. Okay? So it's a very quick scalp. Right? You retest the lows, which we have, right? If we draw that line, we've retested the low. So this would be the continuation short down, which is typically a little bit more probable, but it doesn't mean we can't take the long into that area because we have a key buy level here. If we didn't have a key buy level here, we do not take this trade. Does that should make sense to everyone, right? We're against this downtrend, but we do have a buy level here. Okay, confluence in the level allows us to take that trade with confidence. And we're just looking to come back into the middle of the range here. Look at that. Bitcoin doing its thing, baby. Push you, Nambe Pambe. My God. We're farting money already before the news data and before the open. Let's go. It's probably, yeah, this is janky, man. Look at how aggressive we have all these candles in here, right? This takes half an hour to get here. It takes half an hour to get here. Yeah, stopped out. It takes half an hour to get here, and it takes 9 minutes to get here. Stopped out. $85, guys, to start the day. $85. Hey, what's $85, man? We're buying beer this weekend for everyone. For everyone. What's going on, everybody? Thank you for being here and hanging out. AlexOCrypto Show. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10:15. Putting up with Army Piper. What's going on, everybody? Thank you for being here. Sniper's Nightmares. He's running away. He's in the woods. He's already gone. Oh, man. Watch it. Now it knows where my stop loss was. Now it's going to Valhalla. What's going on, Loco? I love dad jokes. What's going on? Good morning. Good to see a guy as well. People are down. It was a hard trading week, I would say. Up and down. I'm break even. I would say I'm break even this week. I mean, I think, yeah, I'm break even this week. I'm either I'm up like 1,000 or 2,000, or I'm just on the zero line. That's where I'm at. Back to work. TMB Willow, Trace, thank you for saying good morning. I love dad jokes. Jesse, Eero, Official, Crypto Travel, Neil. I'm upset if this goes up. JR, good to see you, bro. How you doing? I came into your stream last night and said, "What's up, JR?" and you didn't even respond to me. So I'm gonna time you out right now. I'm gonna. This is how we're gonna give you 1 minute to think about. Go sit in the corner. That's what you get. Talk about CME gaps in my chat and watch what happens. Morning, what's going on, G1? Alexander G, good morning. What's going on, Piper? Good to see you, brother. How you doing? Thank you for always coming through, Chad. Alexander G, Ando, Jesse, John, Chris, good morning, good morning. Crypto Birdie, if you're new here, welcome. The only thing I do actually require is you don't be a friggin' weirdo and say good morning. What's Gucci? Gucci is a brand. It's like John Gotti or Giorgio. There's Giorgio Armani's and then there's me. And it's Giorgio Nomani. That's me. The Giorgio Nomani's. You know those fake Italian brands? Giorgio Nomani. STL, good to see you, Canadian. Rabelius, one way. Good morning. What the heck kind of name is this, bro? I don't know what that is. Mojo. This is going to pop up, isn't it, guys? Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Already. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. How am I supposed to top blast at the bottom? That's it, right? It's called bottom blasting. It can be used in a rude context. That's what she said. Midnight Hammer, what's going on? Is there going to be a Midnight Hammer number 2 coming up this weekend? That's a big warning sign, guys. Donald Trump this weekend, you know, he might drop some hot midnight hammers down on Iran. So, Stone Matter, good to see you, Mr. Pixel. Me too, break even sucks. It does feel like you've gotten nowhere, doesn't it? I mean, this month has been really weird. First month of February, what was that, 2 weeks ago? Where are we at here? Yeah, first month of February, 30K, okay? Second month of February, minus 3K. Third week of February, right now I'm like plus $1,500. Fucking weird, isn't it? It's weird. Like, it's weird. I was hot, man. I thought we were gonna have a month, you know? I thought we were gonna have a effing month, guys. And I mean, I'm still having an effing month. Like, I'm not complaining. This account was at 10K to start the month. I'm always showing you guys, and now we're at 37. Okay? So there we go. No complaints, man. No complaints. We were at 10K to start the month. We're at 37. But the last 2 weeks have been fucking torture, man. It's been torture. Just not doing it. You know? That's part of trading, though. Rough freak feel like ping pong ball. Yeah, I've had some banger trades, but I've had some terrible effing losses, right? Like even if we look at yesterday, right? I was crushing it yesterday. And then I started taking these like stupid $1,000 losses, right? $1,700 loss, $1,300 win, $1,800 loss, $1,500 loss. Like this sucked right here. This really sucked, right? So, I mean, just I think it's a patience thing with me right now. I'm also I've been trading half position size. I'm trying to get back to full position size, and I've been like tacoing, right? AlexOCrypto, always chickens out. So there's a little bit of psychology I have to work on right now, and being a bit more I have good TA. I have good strategy. It's just implementing it and being patient, right? That's the thing. The discipline. Rough week. PPI in 15 minutes. Awesome. Better trade only one asset. Yeah, I only trade Solana and Bitcoin, right? So I don't choose different teams. If hammer 2, then short, absolutely. Absolutely. What's going on? He sold a nightclub. Army Piper, man. He was mafia. Watch out. Wayne C, good to see you, man. Having that freshly cooked whatever you had. Teriyaki chicken thingy, mabobber. What's good, Philly? Good to see you, Wick's wife. Good morning. Dave Digital in the chat. What's going on, Dave? Bunch y'all along. I hope it plays for you guys. I hope it plays for you. I'm Robert De Niro. Giorgio Nomani and Robert No De Niro. It's so tempting to talk about the gap. Yeah. We don't talk about no gaps in here, man. Talk about it. Watch what happens. Habs winning the cup this year. Oh, TNB, you asked for it. We all know that you can't talk about Montreal Canadiens in my chat either, man. You can't talk. They're good. We'll leave it at that. They're good. Nick Suzuki. Game tying goal. He missed an open net, though, for Team Canada. Good morning, cool man. Chantel, happy Friday. Let's go. Good to see you, Rashad and Guy. Mr. Fort Lauderdale. Rashad, Karim, good morning. Bogo. Caroline. Lucas. Decrypto. Good morning, guys. TMB, Curtis Hill, Roth. All right. I'd like to see. So there's a buy level here. We have a buy level here, but there's an order block here. You see here? So maybe I put a horizontal here so you guys can see the tap of the order block. So we might have to go a little bit lower right now. And we have a very, very critical support level here. So I would love to see something like this. That would be gangster. Is that a way to say it? That would be gangster. Am I allowed to say that on YouTube? That would be gangster, man. I don't know. People go, that's gangster. I mean, how old are you, 4? Look at this big, thick red line. Come on, Magnet. You can do it. Early in the morning. I don't like this one. This one sucks. I think we go here. Let's see what regression trendy says here. Let's go from full top, this candle, all the way to the bottom here. Let's see what the regression trendy says. Yep, I like that better. So we do have a break. But we did hit our major support level up above. And guess what? This was given in advance in the AlexOCrypto Discord. Was it not? You know what was also given in advance in the update video? This buy level. Was it this one or this one? I think it was this one. Long. Short. Let's take a look because you know what? It's always important to show you what we're showing you. And the updates that I provide, right? Last night, Otter Family. We're looking at this, looking at that. Whoopity-doo-da-day, right? Guess what? We were looking. Look, 68,000 right here. Big green bar. Big sell wall. Okay. Guess what? Buy level right here. 67. Okay, right there. This order block. Let's go and look at it, right? Let's go and look at it. AlexOCrypto. 67. Oh, what's that? That's the long. That's the short. Just saying, we're doing a good job here. You know, best Discord in all of crypto. I'm just saying, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Magical AlexOCrypto levels. Whoopin' ass. However, if you don't join the Discord, that's cool, man. I mean, we long and strong and ready to get the friction on. We hitting TPs. I think we hit another TP on FJ. Yeah, look, we just hit another FET signal given in advance. Look at this. Entry, limit long, given in advance. It's TP1. TP1 hit. That was just yesterday. Look at that. Just yesterday. Ain't got to be no rocket scientist. Just got to join the Discord. And if you can't make $80 off this, that's okay. You can continue to push carts at Walmart, and then we'll get you. We'll get you. And look at the good mornings, man. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Incredible. Incredible. What a community. Good people. Good people. Traders helping traders. Everybody trying to work together. If you don't have a community, find a good community. Find an honest and good community. You know, I don't have all the answers. I promise you that. I'll teach you what I do, exactly what I do, and I'll show you what I do. But you know, it's up to you. It's up to you. We have some people are really struggling with trading right now in our group, you know, and I'm trying my best to help them. And we go from there, right? It's all a journey for everybody individually, and it's not an easy journey. But hell yeah, we can have. I mean, look at my month, right? 30 minus whatever, 30K, then minus 3K, then minus 4K, right? Break even or whatever, or plus 1,500, right? It's crazy, right? It's crazy. It's a very, you know, like I feel like I've gotten nowhere the last 2 weeks with my portfolio, with my trading portfolio. However, it's up 30, right? It's up 27,000 start of the month. But it feels like I've gotten nowhere. That's trading. How's everybody doing? What's the news? Good morning, Dusty. Good to see you. This is the worst price action for a new trader. Yeah, absolutely, Solomon. Absolutely. I'm not going to announce the news today because I've announced it. I announced it all day yesterday. Guys, don't forget to restart your computer if the data doesn't show up. Oh, man. Ryan, you're back, man. He took his first trade after a break on Solana. Good job, Ryan. The golden apple, Bitunix. Yeah, use that Bitunix link down below, guys. It's pinned in the comments. The best Discord and trading link for Bitunix. Yeah, that'd be cool if you guys signed up with that. I mean, you do get all the VIP 3s, deposit bonuses. What does it say here? What do you get? Join the trading group. VIP 3. 6 months. Deposit rewards. Exclusive campaign. Look at this. Look at this. You get the 6 months VIP is what I bargained for. I had to sacrifice my left nut for this. But then you get lots of money back too. Lots of money back, which is good. They should. They should. I said, you guys make enough fucking money off of all of us. Come on. Come on. Hook it up. Don't be a nambe-pambe. I like Solana here. Solana's coming down to a key level as well. The lows here, I would actually like it down in here. Rolling over quite aggressively, getting everybody a little euphoric. And you also had these Solana levels given to you guys in advance. I mean, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Good work. I missed this trade yesterday. This is what I missed right here. I missed a long. I had these levels. This is what I was pissed about yesterday. I missed this long, and I missed this long right here. So mad. And then I got chopped up for the rest of the day. So mad. So what does this tell me? If I got chopped up here, this tells me all I had to do was be patient. This tells me all I had to do was be patient. That's it. I wasn't patient yesterday. I was chopping in here, right? I'm lucky I only escaped with like a negative $3,000 day yesterday. I'm lucky. It could have been a lot worse. Okay. Dump into news. Interesting. So 5 minutes till news, everybody. Thank you for being here, smacking up the like button, saying good morning. I try to be as I am as transparent as fucking possible. I tell you, you know, what size it is and how big it is and where is it going and how is it going and where's the freckle. Like I tell you guys everything. So I'm grateful that you guys are here and hanging out with me. It's trading journey, man. I mean, I've been trading for 4 years, and You know, I expect to still have struggles. I'm pushing myself though. So like if I was trading a 300 to make $900, okay, if I was trading this setup again, $100,000 position size, right? I'd be chilling with you guys. I'd be having, you know, $500, $1,000, $2,000 weeks, right? There's no way I would be hitting 30K weeks if I was trading my old setup. Since the top of the market, I have almost tripled my size, right? So instead of taking 100K position size, I'm now taking at minimum 200 to 400, typically 400K to 1.2 million position size now. So I've increased my size because I want to make more money. Comes with a little bit of a bargaining chip, which is mindset and mental torture at sometimes. But hey, if you want to risk it for the biscuit and you want to make a lot of money, you got to force yourself into those uncomfortable situations. And it's the same trade. It's just it's weird pissing $2,000 up the wall. I'll tell you that much. It's weird. However, it's part of the journey. I push myself so I can help you guys push yourself. So I'm grateful that you guys are here. Thank you for supporting the channel. 340 people here hanging out, taking trades, kicking ass, taking names. We've done really well on the live streams. This whole week, I should have just shut it down after the live stream. Yesterday, I was up 2,000 after the live stream. The day before, I was up 3,000 after the live stream and a couple more trades. And then I give it back in the afternoon. Idiot, you know? Good morning, Justin. Good to see you. It's all about hitting the right spots. Exactly, right? If you can't find the spot, thanks. Alex, you're a mayor economic pillar. Thank you, Ero. God bless you. Thanks for being here. We thinking a sweep of 66, Rich? I mean, yeah, let's go. Pink box, baby. We got pink box below us. I would like this. This is our macro golden pocket. I would like this reclaim of that regression trend line, but we don't typically get what we like, guys. That's just crypto. That's crypto, baby. I'm trying to track this momentum here as well. 12-minute looking to push back. 24 trigger wave to the upside, trying to push back as well. But our hourly, our 2-hour, our 3-hour, our 4-hour are all doing trigger waves in our face, guys. This is very scary market cipher. Okay, whenever this is great pushing out, but this is danger zone. Okay, on the 4, the 3, the 2, okay, the 1, danger zone. Money's coming in green. VWAP's trying to push up. That's the hope, is that you can bounce off zero line. But this is shockingly shite. This is ugly. 8-hour is making a higher low. So there's hopium on the higher term time frames now. We got, but overextended here, right? 12, same deal. Higher lows, pushing out. So this is good. The short-term time frame says smash you in the face, so this says smash you in the face into the weekend. This is midnight hammer squared right here. Square in the face. We got a break, retest, continuation trade here. Everybody's looking along. Everybody's looking along here, right? We have everybody swing low to swing high. Bull divs, push out of the downwards trend line. Breakout, retest, continuation trade up to 72. Everybody's looking at this. Is it going to happen? We'll see. Here comes the news, guys. We got 30 seconds. Push back into news. Push back into news. NASDAQ also pushing back. SPY. We'll see how it opens today, but NASDAQ's pushing back into news. Bitcoin pushing back into news. Double bottom order block tap. Okay, this is a little bit better than what we started with this morning. Up $100 to start the day. Here we go. We are loading. 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 And we are coming in 4%. I hate all these pop-ups, man. GDP 1.4% coming underneath expectations. NASDAQ dumping. NASDAQ dumping. Bitcoin flat. NASDAQ dumping. NASDAQ dumping. That's not a good GDP. Dump and pump. First moves down. Core PCE coming in hot. Forecast 0.2. Consensus 0.3. Previous. Core PCE coming up. All right. GDP. Why is it loading again? It's already in. GDP 1.4%. They thought it was going to come in at 3%. It's coming down. It's down. Income, break even. Spending, break even. I don't think that's that good. Piper is going to tell me what's the deal here. Labor market has been coming in stronger lately and inflation going up after minutes. Says the Fed has rate hikes on the table. Just shit. Oh, shit. What does this mean? This means Piper's going to have to tell you today. This means bad. Ew, this is not good. Hikes are on the table. We don't want them to hike. Oh my God, Solana. Bye, Solana. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. And everybody's looking for that pump. Everybody's looking for that pump. Don't get married to your bags. Big sweep. Sweep and go. Can Bitcoin bounce out of here? NASDAQ's not bouncing. Solana's dying. Coming for the lows right now. Bye, bye, Solana guy. Damn, Daniel. Stalling out at the lows. Might consider a long if we can pop back up here, guys. Damn. She ugly. She is ugly. Bye, Solana. Nice knowing you. I'll see you tomorrow. Arrivederci. Ciao. My God. Mm-hmm. Wild. Who's short in here? Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. I'm naturally short, so I'm going to put a 2 just for fun. 2 months into trading, feeling overwhelmed. You came at the well, it depends. You came in the right spot or the wrong spot. But this is like, this is terrible price action. This is not trending price action. This is choppy, range-bound trading. It is choppy, range-bound trading. It is very hard to navigate. You can make a shit ton of money. However, it's very, very hard to trade if you're new. You have price that builds up liquidity and then it dies, right? You have price that builds up liquidity, dies. You have price that builds up liquidity, pops, right? So if you're on the wrong side of the trade, you're wrecked, right? So, and if you overtrade this thing, you're wrecked. If you don't wait for your key levels, you're wrecked. It's a very punishing. But I mean, if you're jumping on this trend and you're getting in short, right, you can make some good money. But it's not easy. So welcome. Stay close. Lower your risk. Lower your expectations. Your job is to get reps. If you're new, your job is to get reps. Your job is to mark out your charts, Learn how to read the market. Take your time. Your job is not to make money right now. Put the money aside. Get married to the process. That's what your job is to do. Married to the process. Married to understanding what's going on here. They're trapping shorts, right? They haven't dumped this yet, so they're trapping shorts in my opinion. Our short is if it comes back and retests the lows, right? NASDAQ pushing back. Bitcoin trying to hold, right? Retest into this key area. Solana trying to hold, right? So we're not trying to bottom blast here. We're trying to wait to see what happens. Can the NASDAQ recover, or is it retesting the lows and rotating down? Looks like rotation down. Very overextended downtrend, so we wait. Yikes. That's not the greatest data. What's going on, Billy? Good to see you, man. You have to get married. So if I'm married to the money, I have to get married, divorce her and get married to the process? Well, yeah, it's about patience and discipline and taking high probability trade setups. That's all we're doing here, right? The money will come if you do that. The money will always come if you do that, right? But if you're here being a button clicker and trying to make money, you're gonna end up hurt. Homie joined the trenches. Welcome, man. 222. Good job, everybody. Good job, everybody. I love seeing you guys win, man. Make sure you guys pay yourselves on the way down here. We could pop back up, so make sure you guys are paying yourselves. Congratulations on your shorts. Only a liquidity grab? Yeah, very possible. Very possible. GDP is disappointing, yeah. Looking to sweep this low possibly right here. Just bleeding out a little bit right here. Solana 2. NASDAQ 2. All coming down right now. So going into Friday, midnight hammer squared. Pardon me. Pardon me. I was thinking I need to improve my morning routine. Okay? What is everybody's morning routine? Do you guys have like a... I open my eyes. I pray. That's the first thing I do. I roll out of bed and I pray. I ask for help. Then I get up. I start the kettle. I make the coffee. I go to the window. I look at the mountains. I start the computer up. I pour the coffee. I update the Discord. I feel like there's something missing. That's what I'm saying. I feel like I should add something. Is there anything you guys suggest that I should do to help improve my morning? I feel pretty good in the morning. Like I sleep. That's one of my superpowers. Is that like when I want to sleep, I press the off button and I'm gone. That is definitely my superpower. Any suggestions here? Or you brush your teeth? No, I like the smell of my microphone when I don't brush my teeth, so I don't do that. I like this is why I just sent one of the traders in my Discord my extra microphone, but I didn't send him look, see I got two of these. I didn't send him this cuz it's raunchy, guys. Buy Bitcoin. Bitcoin's dying. Here's our buy level. NASDAQ rolling over. Solana rolling over. Whew. Congratulations on your short, everybody. Wow. Big bounce level here. No trade. Just rolling over, guys. No trade here. Liquidity has been snatched. Damn. Here's our previous day orb. See you later, Bitcoin. Nice to know you. Ciao. I guess we should have bottom blasted there. Open the Bible. I mean, I pray every morning. I get out of bed right to my knees and I pray every morning. I've been doing that forever. I'm disciplined in that. Vodka and a cigar. Go for a walk. I ain't doing no yoga, man. I've done some gym. You're missing a workout. Yeah. Don't forget, I'm getting up at 4 in the morning, guys. 4:30. Okay. I hit my knees first. That's just the way. Yeah, the kid slept well last night, so he's up and ready to go. So I'm allowed to be loud. Thank you for being here, John Foster Crypto. Still no trade, guys. I don't like it. I don't like it. Bounce level pink box, but it's hard to take the long here, in my opinion. Nasdaq dying. I'm actually considering shorting. See if we can push up here and short. Half a position size. Up $60. Stopped out. I took a continuation short here, guys. Right here. $50. I just made $50. Just taking it down. It came down, but it stopped me out pretty quick. I couldn't really. Just looking for follow through. Pink box though. Yeah. But Nasdaq continues to roll over. Solana critical support level as well. This is our golden pocket of the range. So this is a key area that we're looking for price to potentially hold, but we'll see, guys. 450 people in here bringing in the dump. Congratulations on your shorts, everybody. Good work. I would prefer an order block retest here. Got a 1 minute block here on Solana. Yeah, a couple of them. I'm going to look at the higher one. I'm just going to look in here generally. Yikes. Here comes the data. Down we go. What's going on? Run the mouth. Gang, baby. What's their news today? Yeah, Rob. GDP coming in low. We got GDP coming in low. Core PCE coming in high. Right? CPI has been pretty flat, and this came up double. So that's not good. That's not bueno. That's not bueno. And then personal income and spending's pretty flat. But I don't think they like the PCE. It gives them the opportunity to potentially hike rates, right? Hike? Is it hike? I think it's hike. I don't know. I'm going to send you over to Piper after this. He'll explain it. Because we did send you over to Miss Teen Crypto already this week for her birthday. So if you're not subscribed to Miss Teen Crypto and her 25,000 beautiful subscribers, we'll join the Randy Hipper gang. Look at this face. How could you not want to like and subscribe? Jeez. What are you doing? Support people and their ventures. Use their links. Support. You don't need to go and use the big content creator links, okay? They got lots of guala, okay? They're rich, bitch. Use the smaller creators links. I don't think Miss Teen Crypto is not a small creator. She's a big personality, a big heart. I've met her in real life. She's taller than me. She's actually not, but she should be in person, you know. It's not hard to be taller than me. Little pushback here. It's not that hard, eh? No. So you guys are saying I need to add a workout in the morning. Add gratitude in the morning. I do gratitude as well, man. I do gratitude as well. I actually have a couple of friends that look at the pink box pushback, guys. If you guys are long on the pink box, I'm going to be upset with you. I'm going to be upset with you. I'm going to be upset with my damn self. I'm going to ask, put a 1 in the chat if you're long off the pink box. The only pink box that pays you money. The best pink box in all of crypto. AlexOCrypto's pink boxes, my God. You cannot beat them. So if you can't beat them, join them. You guys all long off the pink box. You guys. You beep. I need a soundboard, but I'm not technical enough for a soundboard. You guys are all long off my pink box, man. Damn you guys. So I went through your link for Bitunix. Thanks, No Diggity, for using the Bitunix link. If you ever have any issues too, guys, with Bitunix, you just come over to the Discord, open up a ticket. Okay, withdrawals, whatever you need. Open up a ticket, I'll help you out, man, because I got a good rep. It's pretty responsive. So you can use the Bitunix link. Thank you for using the link. No Diggity, God bless you, bro. I mean, if I've helped you guys in any way, it does help me help you guys more. We can do more giveaways, all that good stuff. You guys are all... So, working out, gratitude. What else? Go naked into a hot tub. I mean, that sounds like, shrivel nuts and raisin balls before you even start the stream. Pour the milk after the cereal. I don't eat initially. Cut the coffee. Stretch. I think stretching is good. I stretch in the morning after the stream. Go for a run. I'd be asleep on the stream, though. Squats. I ain't doing squats in the morning, man. Leg days. Read a passage from the Bible. I could add that. I mean, I do instantly get in touch with God when I start my day. Instantly on my knees. First thing you do, workout. Okay. Yeah, we love you, Miss Teen Crypto. Thank you for being part of the family. Can I get your journey for inspiration? Took 4 losses in a row. Dude, I sucked for 7-8 months, man. I really sucked. I used high leverage. I mean, we've gone over the journey here multiple times. To me, I'm not taking a trade right now, so I can explain it to you very simply, okay? Very simply. And it took time. And there's a lot of people who are in this chat who've been through it with me, right? So, shorted Terra Luna collapse, made 10K off a $1,000 account, cross leverage on Solana, got liquidated. Then I traded TRB on high leverage for 7 months here. Okay. Strategy, risk management. Compounded a $1,000 account into a $100,000 account. Okay. From here to here, I went full-time trading. I quit being a carpenter. I've been a carpenter my whole life, 15 years of carpentry. Quit being a carpenter, went full-time trading. No paid Discord, no sponsorships, no affiliate links, just trading and YouTubing. Okay? Just trading. This is where I started the Discord, so I started making some income off of the Discord, teaching what I know. But I needed to prove it to myself that, 1, I could compound an account, 2, I could pay my bills with trading. And I guess the next level would be here. This is where AlexOCrypto added size. Yeah. It's all about the size and how you use it. Okay? So it takes time, man. It takes time. And I mean, now I've had, I've had really good months. I've had down months. I've had, it's part of it. I'm having a pretty good month right now. I'm not satisfied with my month though because of the last 2 weeks. I've given it back the last 2 weeks. But yeah, man, it's possible. You can ask any of my mods though, or anybody who's been here from day one with me. Ask Tony Soprano, who works harder, or who's shown up the most. My first 3 years were like 24/7 trading and trying to help other people and charting. Constant. Like I'm a bit obsessive. I want to be the best. So I work, I try to. I'm not the smartest, so I know I have to work harder, right? I'm not the smartest. I'm not the guy who's doing, coffered and crown molding ceilings. I'm the guy who's framing the walls, right? I'm not the guy. I can do stairs. I can do stringers, but I ain't doing no like rounded staircase, That's not me. I can get there. It'll take me my damn ass time, right? But So what do I have to do instead? I have to work really hard. So I show up every day. I've showed up every day for 4 years. That's for myself, for my family, for the people on this channel, right? That's it. I ain't fucking special, I tell you that much. The one thing I do really well is I can't say never, but I manage risk like an absolute ninja. I give myself a chance. I'm so mad I didn't long this pink box right now, though. Fucking bullshit. Sorry. Sorry, guys. I'm an idiot. I'd be up like 3-4 grand right now. Order block retest. Order block retest breaking down. Nasdaq trying to recover. Solana key level bouncing as well. Damn you, Solana. Damn you, Bitcoin. Congratulations on your longs. And this is why everybody comes here, because they take the trades that I should take. Let's be real. You need to curb it down because you do so much. I'm finally taking my first vacation, Tony, next Wednesday. I'm finally taking my first. Peachy wants your 6 months P&L. Okay, last 6 months. Well, let's just say I deposited over this much into for taxes in January. Let's just say November was like this 1 month. Okay. Over the year, I made more than this over the year. Right? So I mean, it's pretty nice, man. It's pretty nice. I can show you my taxes if you want to see. You want to see the transfer from my exchange into my index account where I converted it into USDC. I can show you that too. I mean, I show everything. Everybody was here when I would show you my account every day. I turned 40K into 197. Everybody saw that. I'm going to rage quit right now, guys. I'm going to rage quit. You guys are all long off my pink box, and I'm pissed because I didn't take it. Congratulations on your longs. Mm-hmm. Higher low continuation push here. Rejection off key resistance. NASDAQ a little bit weak right now. Top down, then coffee time. Yeah, pretty soon. We're waiting right now. We're waiting Ravel. Do I leave it into USDC for yield? No. In order to so obviously we trade in USDT. But Canada, they're trusted exchanges, which is Coinbase and NDAX, and I use NDAX. Only accept USDC. So on the exchange, you convert it to USDC, and then from there you send it to the Canadian exchange and convert it into Canadian dollars. And that's the taxable event there. Total deposit into here into total Canadian dollars. And then with the Canadian dollars, I have a high interest savings account, and then obviously investments on the side. So, and then taxes. Don't forget Canadian dollars. Half of it goes to taxes. It's fucking crazy. But that's the process. Why wouldn't you move to Dubai, bro? Because I don't really I'm invited to go to Dubai. Like all Bitunix wants to fly me there this year. I'm like, nah, man. Because you're beside Iran? Is that enough of an excuse? It is progressive tax. It is progressive tax, Kodak, but you end up, I mean, they tax you on everything in Canada. Food, cow farts, everything. I lived in Australia and it was hot. I don't think I want to do I don't think I want to do Dubai. I'm not jumping in here. No, I'm waiting. The UK is bad too, yeah. Yeah, the UK is bad too. I mean, we lived in Australia, UK, and Canada. Those are the three Commonwealth countries that it's very easy, and they're all bad at taxes. They all have their problems. We chose Canada. I'm considering maybe over time, maybe getting a place in the States. Just for like a summer house. We're going to do like I think we're going to try out some South America stuff too, like Costa Rica. And, but I mean, everything has their shit, right? Everything has their shit. What are you willing to put up with, right? UK is mini Pakistan now. Yeah, I agree. You're a Texas boy and you don't even know it. I think I'm a Texas boy. I'm in the Texas of Canada right now. Move to Punta Cana? No. We have an order block retest right in here on the 1 minute. Trying to push back up. Key resistance in our face here. A little bit upset I didn't long down here, but it's okay. We're still downtrending. NASDAQ still looks, it's trying to push back, but still looks a little bit weak here. Solana, very choppy into these two order blocks. First tap, this one was okay, but I prefer higher, right? I prefer this guy here, really. Let's see if we can push back here. All right. Everybody gets stage fright in front of a pink box. Sometimes, man. Even with the wife, I get all excited too fast, you know? Peachy wants to see my account. I mean, I think I show enough here, Peachy. In Dubai, who moved from UK, the only losing tax situations in UK, yeah. STL coin, Supreme Court. Good morning, gang. What's going on, Evade? Good to see you. Nice rollover from the news here. Very sporadic, though. I would prefer to see bottoming structure in here. Okay, I want to see something in here that we can justify getting long. Golden pocket retracement key level. Trying to push out. A little bit upset I didn't long in here, but that's fine. Execution sometimes needs to, you know, it's hard. It's not meant to be easy. I think I was talking too much in here, which is also a problem. Sometimes I'm like, why do I stream? Because I would rather be trading, but that's fine. There's an accountability thing with streaming too, which is good. Helps me not overtrade sometimes. Sometimes I overtrade on the stream. You guys know when I'm overtrading. When I've taken 3 trades before market open, I'm overtrading. And you guys tell me, which is, I'm grateful for that. You guys tell me, which is what I need sometimes. Unrealized gain tax is legalized robbery. Yeah, that's ridiculous. In the Netherlands, everyone's gonna leave, man. What broker do you use on TradingView in Canada for trades? I just trade on Bitunix. I swing trade on BYDFI or no, I don't really trade on Blowfin anymore. It amazes me how people in the chat on YouTube think they have the right to look at your bank account. Yeah, it's pretty wild. It's pretty wild. I think I overshare, if anything. I think it's time for a Dave Digital pump song for you guys. Right? Everybody is long off the pink box like absolute legend. I think it's time for the Dave Digital pump song. I'm going to go get some more coffee.
Oh, the gang, 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 gang. Let's go. Lord of the King Peter in the building. We identify as pretty rich. I said we identify as pretty rich. Pump it, push it up. Pump it, push it up. Don't be an enemy, pump it up. Coffee pump, coffee long. Pump it, push it up. V-Web slap. Give it the slap, rally. Soy boy Lana. Off the floor. Ray Orbison. Kicking down the door. Click buttons. Make money. Click buttons. Make money. Make money. Don't top blast. Don't top blast. Take the money and run. Pay yourself fast. Don't top blast. Don't top blast. Take the money and run. Pay yourself fast. Pump it. Pump it. Push it up. Pump it. Pump it. Push it up. Don't be a nappy poppy. Pump it up. Coffee pump. Coffee long. Pump it. Push it up. Better sit low when the chips low. Pocket fat, watch a Raleigh grow. Fit the party like a disco. Stay true to the digital. Stay true to the digital. Yeah. Get to the chopper. Get to the chopper. Who is your daddy and what does he do? Get to the chopper. Get on the chopper. Who is your daddy and what does
Is that song any good? I still haven't heard it properly, Dave. You guys said it was good yesterday. I'm like pretty jealous right now of you guys all making all this money on the long off the pink box. I'm pretty upset I didn't take it. Can we have a VWAP slap? Play it again. Let me try it then. I haven't heard it. I gotta listen to it this time. No trades, guys. Just jealous. That's it. I'm jealous.
Oh, the gang, 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 gang. Let's go. Lord of the King Peter in the building. We identify as pre-rich. I said
Pre-rich, baby.
Pre-rich. Pump it. Pump it. Push it up. Pump it. Pump it. Push it up. Don't be an enemy. Pump it up. Coffee pump. Coffee long. Pump it. Push it up.
Terrible song.
V-Web slap. Give it the slap, rally. Soy boy Lana.
Slapperelli, baby.
Off the floor, Ray Orbison, kicking down the door. Click buttons, make money. Click buttons, make money. Make money.
I mean, click buttons make money.
Don't top blast. Take the money and run. Pay yourself fast. Don't top blast. Don't top blast. Take the money and run. Pay yourself fast. Pump it. Pump it. Push it up. Pump it. Pump it. Push it up. Don't be a nappy poppy. Pump it up. Coffee pump. Coffee long. Pump it. Pump it. Push it up. Better sit low when the chips low. Pocket fat, watch a Raleigh grow. Fit the party like a disco. Stay true to the digital. Stay true to the digital. Yeah. Get to the chopper. Get to the chopper. Who is your daddy and what does he do?
What does he
Get to the
do?
chopper.
Stop whining.
Who is your daddy and what does he do? Right, pump it. Pump it. Pump it. Push it. Push it. Making crypto honest again. Making crypto honest again. All the gang, gang, gang.
All right, Dave Digital, man, coming through with the song. Ray Orbison. Ray Orb is in. Good times, man. Thank you for the track, Dave. God bless you. Everybody long off the pink box. Crawling up here. Everybody who's long, put a 1 in the chat. Everybody who is feeling the FOMO, put a 2 in the chat. Do we have a song for Dump It? We could. VWAP first deviation, 1. Or 1.28 and why? No, just 1. Just 1. You guys are all long. I got the FOMO into this order block here. Trying to push up. I just didn't have the stones to long this here, guys. That's all. Even on the 1 minute, there really wasn't a candle pattern. I mean, this one here could have been justifiably long here. Overextended little pushback. Nasdaq still rolling over. Bitcoin, Still in this downtrend, guys, into an order block here. So, I mean, probably like an 8-minute block. Yeah. Yeah, so we can look at this guy here for a potential short. Yeah. VWAP just creeping above here. Bounce level, macro bounce level though. So like this is swing low to swing high on our breakout here. So if we're trading in the 1, 2, 3, this is a number 2, everybody. So you got the bull divs push out here from yesterday, the break of the high. And then you have your breakout, retest, continuation trade, right? So this is your swing low to swing high, retest back into liquidity, continuation out. So typically in this area, you are looking for 12-minute market structure change, in my opinion. You can front run it, which some of you guys have. And then you're looking to rotate up into the liquidity of the highs. All right, so this would be your bottoming structure. This would be your break. And this would be your continuation trade. Is it going to happen like this? It doesn't look like it, right? It looks like a pretty aggressive dump, right? So for me, can we get relief and then continuation down here? It's another possibility, right? It's not going to be an easy ride up, in my opinion. So let's not get married to the longs, but the 1, the 2, the 3 all are pointing down. The 1 hour is starting to creep up here potentially, but everything else is pointing down, which is concerning. Okay, the 24 here's got a little bit of hopium, the 12 a little bit of hopium. But really this is into our key resistance area from last night in the Discord into a dump. And there's no, I mean, as a scalper you can take this, but for me I want an established high, and then I want to see that high broken, and now I want to look to gig along. Back to a minimum of a retracement area, right? So patience here, in my opinion. It's Friday. Happy Friday. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 420 people in here. Actually, just hit that right now. There was 480 when I went for my coffee. So looks like the song didn't keep the people, which is good because we like to shake out the weak hands or the weak ears, which is part of this. But we only have 144 likes here. So I think we can do a little bit better than those rookie numbers on this Friday. Thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel and hanging out. God bless you guys. Hopefully you're having a wonderful, wonderful day. If not, hopefully we can make it better. How is your trading going this week? A lot of people said they were having some troubles. Yeah, normally up is around 40%. This is around 30. Okay, I was break even this week. I'm still break even this week. I mean, I'm up like $1,000 or something like that. So $2,000, $1,000, something around there, which is pretty break even for me. I mean, I'm not going to complain, but I'm also I'm not performing as well as I should be, in my opinion. I mean, I try to hold myself to a high standard, and sometimes that can be detrimental because it's not good for mental health. I mean, but fuck mental health at this point. I'm just trying to execute with high precision. And you know, my wife is like my mental health, right? She's my I guess she's my anchor, you know. She keeps me straight. You guys, if you don't have that, I mean, touch some grass, get into the gym. I know the gym was a big thing before I had my wife as kind of that support. Just go and crush some weights. But I don't know. I was, as a tradesman, mental health, I mean, you just get on with it. You show up, you suit up, and you do your job. And maybe that's toxic masculinity, but that's gay, man. Just, I mean, deal with your shit. But it's Eminem, man. You stiffen that upper lip, soldier, right? You show up and you execute. You try to be better every single day, even if you suck. Just a little bit better. We'll see if we do get another attempt at the pink box here. Round 2 at the pink box is always sketchy, guys. remember, if you're going to hang out with pink boxes twice or a second pink box, right, you don't typically do too well when you hang out with a second pink box. You end up getting exposed. Just saying. I'm just saying. Sometimes it's better to stick to one or at least wait, because you could be this guy here. All right. So if we're going to... What was your average workday as a carpenter? Would you suggest someone learns about carpentry? What would you suggest someone learns about carpentry? Well, carpentry is like the backbone of all construction, right? So I know a little bit of everything, right? Like I can frame a house, but I know why the electrical goes here. I know why I build out a 2x6 wall to accommodate plumbing. I know, the span of a joist. I know how to, all those things, right? So it's important because you'll learn how to do everything, right? Like I can plaster, I can tape, I can drywall, right? I can frame, I can trim out, I can do kitchens, right? So it's like carpentry, I've learned a little bit of everything. I did industrial formwork, so I'd throw up high rises in the summer. In the summer, I would build in Toronto, I would build skyscrapers, like 70-floor skyscrapers, flying tables in and out of a building, throwing up huge buildings. And then in the winter, I would go into residential, and I would do renovations, coffee shops. I did a couple of coffee shops in downtown Toronto. I've done full basement renovations. I did my own basement renovation and recorded it and shared it on the channel. You can watch that on my YouTube channel here. I did the whole basement, start to finish, framing, drywall, plasters, kitchen, plumbing, electrical, you name it. I did it all, right? So if I was going to recommend a trade, I mean, I always recommend HVAC and electrical, right? Because electrical, you're going to make the money. HVAC, it's light. You're going to get paid, but HVAC is light work, right? Tin banging's light work. I mean, if you've worked industrial formwork, you're carrying form ply across rebar all day long. It's hard work. It's hard work. It'll break you if you're not, We never span floor joists more than 14 foot 2x10. If you ever see that scab work. Yeah, absolutely. And TGIs get you a little bit further now, Billy, which is pretty sweet. But 2x10s, I don't know. TGIs are nice for spans, but yeah, if they're spacing it out way more than that, then it's scab. Yeah, I agree. Framing is the best trade in my opinion. I liked framing. Yeah, I love framing. Framing's quick. It's fun. Framing's not the same as it used to be. A lot of prefab now, and you get prefab roof joists and stuff like that. But if you know how to work with your hands, I mean, you'll never be out of work now. I mean, there's too many. I almost said there's too many pussies in this world coming up now. It's a dying art, man. It's a different breed of human, right? You show up, you suit up, you get on with it. It's hard work, right? It's not this on your phone bullshit. Right? Rolling over here. Retest to previous lows, continuation down here. Coming into market open. We got 9 minutes, everybody. Thank you for being here. I'm just trying to be patient here and wait to see what happens. I'm not trying to overtrade today. Second pink box. Yeah, you got to watch out for that. It's Friday and all the haters are out. What did he say? I want to see. Was the first trade on the stream successful or no? Yeah, I made $100. It was, yeah. Is dude being a dude? What did he say here? Don't listen to him as long as he takes quiet trades that he doesn't share. That's all right, man. Thank you for being here. Hopefully you do learn. Yeah, that's aggressive here. That's aggressive. This is the price action you got to watch for. Like this. This is why you don't enter the trades right now. Sweep of the lows, bounce, resistance. Solana. Solana bounce as well. Retested previous highs. Continuation up. Yeah, splitting hairs here, guys. Order block tap. That was an order block tap as well. Continuation up. Looking for a support and resistance flip. Like this red line, I know is critical. So if we can get above here, cool. We can look to rotate back up. We also have downtrending momentum. So for me, it's just a matter of proof in the pudding. This is nasty coming into market open. So I'd like to see how it behaves in this order block first. Because like our high is here really. This wouldn't be our high. So mitigation would be all the way up here. And then we look for retest continuation. So right now, just macro support bottoming structure. We'll see if it does want to continue up. NASDAQ, stiletto pattern, rollover. Right? So very like no strength here. Solana retesting previous lows as well. So we're looking up here, potentially. Time to clean up. Oh, we got another one? You suck? Thanks, Jake. You swallow. I don't know what to say, man. I wonder how they come up with these questions. $1,000 account when I started Roth, and I had about 20,000 in savings. And I burned through about 5 accounts before I was profitable and compounding. Douche canoes. Yeah, the only rule is be kind and don't be a douche canoe. Or talk about the Montreal Canadiens, or talk about the CME gap. Oh, man, says Crypto Billy. I mean, they asked for it, man. Gotta shake out the weak hands. You come in my house and you talk smack. This is the Smackdown Hotel. Nice push here. Okay, pushing into market open. NASDAQ a little bit of relief. Bull dibs. Solana. Damn, Daniel. Nice push. Nice push here. See if it wants to continue. No trade. No trade. Still waiting here. Nice push for Bitcoin. Coming into that block. See how it behaves. You gotta wonder who hurt these people that they act like that on you. Yeah, that is true. It's like you wonder why like people come on and be internet a-holes or internet bullies, right? Time to unsubscribe. See ya. See ya, Sigma. Take care, man. Have a good one. Right? You wonder why people come on and be an idiot. I really Canada and Finland today, yeah. I couldn't help it, man. Are we going to see 60K? Right now, I mean, I like that golden pocket way down here. $63, $64. I don't know if we come to 60 again. I don't know if we come for this low. 63 major support in here. We'll see. Unsubbing is better than getting banned, so you don't say something stupid and get banned. Just unsub it later. Whenever they get smarter, they come back. They probably get banned and then they create another account, Dave Digital. Let's be honest. Don't forget my pronouns are Lord Otter and King Beaver, please. All right. Pushing up. I'd like to see like an order block tap fake out this morning, and then a little bit of a dump coming in for the lows. That's what I would like to see, because everybody bullish right now for the bounce. So I'd like to see like a tap here, rollover, sweep, and then bounce, and then go. That would be ideal. Just coming for this liquidity in here, but below VWAP looking for shorts, retested previous lows on the table over here as well. So this could come up higher. VWAP creep down, right? Maybe higher low, slap, dump. But still no trade. I took one trade this morning. That was the long over here, up here. I liked it. I had a key level. Or was it here, guys? I think it was here. I took that little long for $100 or whatever. And then I tried to take a continuation short. Took that for $50. Right? 2 trades today. Showing the trades, taking the trades, making crypto honest again. Slow and steady. Wish I got long on the pink box, but really didn't have a justifiable entry. I mean, the pink box should just be justifiable in itself, but let's see how this behaves. Like for me right now, because we've come in here, now I'm looking for structure change and 1, 2, 3 trades for bigger longs, not necessarily scalps. We got a market opening right now. Everybody, thank you for being here. Let's go, baby. S&P, it's in the game. So we have a big gap down. We'll see if we come back to fill the gap. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Rolling over a little bit on Bitcoin, looking for that rollover sweep of the lows, continuation up. Solana as well. NASDAQ dying, rolling over hard. Bitcoin coming back, trying to hold this support level like we talked about. See if we do want to rotate up to VWAP and break this downtrending momentum. NASDAQ sweep and go. Very indecisive candle. Going to go on the 1 minute for the NASDAQ this morning. Just need to extract a little bit more information. Little push up halfway down the candle here. Solana V-shaped recovery, trying to reclaim 82.6. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, slapping those like buttons. We got 500 people in here, 175 likes. That's quite low for a Friday. If you guys wouldn't mind, I guess I scared away all the liberals, even though I'm just pro everybody, man. I don't care what you do. I just scaring away people today because they told someone they swallow. Oh man, I guess I went too far. God bless you, Wick 589 with the $5 super chat. Wick, God bless the Wicks, man. Thank you for supporting the channel and always being here. Are we looking for shorts right now? No, we're waiting. This is a good momentum to the upside. We'll see. We're looking for continuation up here off of the pink box. SPY's pretty flat and down. I think they're trapping longs up here. That's just my opinion. Looking for a little pushback. Swing high to swing low. We can add this golden pocket level into our ideas here. We had an order block up in here, but I'm going to just rotate this into a golden pocket 786 level. Sweep of the highs. Got downtrending momentum here. A little bit of resistance. Holding the support level, trying to push out here. So we can look for breakout, retest, and possible continuation. Still no trade. Solana pushing back into VWAP. NASDAQ ripping. Okay, NASDAQ ripping, which is a good bullish signal for now. Lots of liquidity to come back for the NASDAQ. The SPY trying to push back as well. Bitcoin holding here. No real follow through yet, but looking strong. Congratulations on your long, everybody, this morning at the pink box. GG's in the chat, and let me know if you're long in the chat. Put a 1 in the chat. And God bless you guys. Thank you for being here. Love you too, Wick. All right. Can you change your candle color? I'm sorry, no. My candles are purple because that's my wife's favorite color, man. And my wife is, like I said, my anchor. It reminds me to not overtrade and manage my risk. It's a constant reminder on my charts to keep me accountable to my family. That's why they're purple, man. That's why they're purple, if you're wondering. They've been purple from day one. Purple and orange. Orange is my favorite color, but I've just gone purple. Great push here on Bitcoin. Great longs, everybody. Good job. Trump's about to speak. Slap, slap, slap. Good job on the longs, guys. GG's, GG's, GG's. Good job. Rotation up here, failing to push. Doji. Failure to push higher lows, higher lows. I would look for retest back into here. Trying to reclaim the highs here. NAS continues to rip. SPY closing gap. Doji up at the highs. Reversal possibility here. Trapping longs. Coming back in. Retest of this support level halfway down this candle. 3 minute. 3 minute getting bought up here. Tweezer top potentially. Downtrending momentum holding. NASDAQ continuing to rip. SPY holding as well. Solana into resistance. Support and resistance flip. Rotation above VWAP, new resistance. Reclaim of this area. Bitcoin continuing to climb, showing strength. Retest of previous lows. Continuation up here. We got CVD increasing, shorts decreasing, but we do have a seller up here on Solana VWAP. Bitcoin continuing to climb into VWAP, looking to take the liquidity out of these highs right now. Good strength here. We have decreasing CVD on the push up right now. On this push up right here, CVD has started to turn down. But shorts aren't coming in to stop this thing from moving up. So this is looking good. Strength into VWAP, looking for a slap. No slap. Front running VWAP. Solana slapping VWAP. Solana order block tap here for continuation up. NASDAQ continuing to climb. SPY almost full gap fill. Continuation here. Congratulations on your longs, guys. This is a beautiful long off of the pink box. Taking the liquidity out of the highs here of this order block. Retesting previous lows. This would be the major resistance area. So no longs, no shorts here. Just waiting. NASDAQ continuing to show major strength here. Same with the SPY. Solana rolling over. Looking for some weakness here. We've taken the liquidity out of these highs here on the Nas. No sign of weakness, just constant bid, very slow. Looking to rotate up here. Still got gaps to fill. Big strength out of the Nas, coming for more liquidity. Major resistance at 25. Bitcoin showing breakout retest. Strength right now. 1 minute. Rotation down into resistance. Failing to push. No VWAP slap though. Front running VWAP. That would be probably our orb high. Trying to hold here. No trade still. Still no trade. This is sheer liquidity. Something like this is something that I'm always concerned about. When we push like this, this is just clear targets for shorts. Same with Bitcoin here. We could even track it this way if we wanted to. This is very aggressive though here. You can see how that's holding. I kind of feel bad that I told that guy he swallows. Oh well. God will forgive me. Oh man. Rick, I use Market Monkey Terminal. There's a link in it in the description. MMT. I think it's the paid version though, so you can see MMT here. I got net shorts in here, so you can see shorts are increasing, shorts are decreasing, and then I have CVD down here as well. That's on my fourth computer screen. That's on the four. I just got a new screen to see that while I trade. It's just a little addition, right? A little addition. I still don't promote like analysis paralysis over trading kind of everything looking like a Christmas tree. NASDAQ cooling off, order block tap here. SPY cooling off, not fully taking the gap here. Interesting. Breakout retest. Look for Bitcoin to come into here. Little rollover. It's pretty toppy up top here, guys. So we'll see. NASDAQ cooling off. Never mind. NASDAQ pushing. NASDAQ pushing. Bitcoin trying to hold here. Solana looking for this retest. We'll see if we get it. Very choppy today, guys. Happy Friday, everybody. Hopefully you're all having a wonderful day. What's wrong with Blowfin? Nothing. They have good. Blowfin's another exchange that I would recommend. I prefer Bitunix because I have a good exchange rep, and they help me with anything that I need to help all my community members. The volume, Gibran. The volume is different on different exchanges, so I always use the volume on the Bybit exchange, Gibran. So your VWAP will be at a different level depending on what exchange data you're using, because it's a volume-weighted average price. So it's averaging the volume on the exchange for that price level. So depending on whatever exchange you're using VWAP on, it will be different. I always recommend using Bybit. Chop at the top, guys. No trade. Still no trade, guys. Still here waiting. I mean, into resistance, we said we could sweep and tap the lows in here. So good idea, but no real confirmation for a short here. NASDAQ continuation. SPY pretty flat. Pretty flat going into the weekend. Wild times. Trying to hold. Breakout retest continuation here. In the weeds a little bit on the 1 minute. Let's just wait here. A doji close here. Indecision at the highs, trying to push. We're in the crosshairs, guys. Breakout retest continuation, or do we have, you know, retest and up, which it's looking strong. There's NASDAQ. NASDAQ's taken off. Strength. Aggressive move through VWAP is typically bullish for Solana. So we can look for the retest here on Solana, potentially for a continuation trade. There goes the SPY. SPY's ripping. Bitcoin trying to hold here. Not the greatest candle. This needs to push back and close positively here for an engulfing candle. That would be ideal. Doji engulfing on the 1 minute. I don't like it. Halfway down the candle, wick test right here. Still no trade. Solana looks toppy. VWAP slap again for Solana. NASDAQ rejection off our key level. Considering a short here on Solana. Bitcoin looks weak. Key resistance for NASDAQ. I'd like to see Solana roll over here. Still holding. Bitcoin still holding. Yep. Exhaustion at the highs. Looks toppy to me. It looks toppy to me. NASDAQ needs a rejection here. SPY's still ripping. It's really going to be led by the NASDAQ here. Let's go short on Solana. Just looking for a quickie here. See if we roll over. Back down to the high. I'll bring this up pretty close. Just looking to come back down to this high here and leave a runner if we do. Go on. Roll over. You can do it. I believe in you. Don't be a dick for a tick. Really? You're not going to film me there? Break even. There we go. Up 200. See if we roll over to the support level here. Weakness in the NAS, weakness in Bitcoin, toppy structure, VWAP slap, rotation down. Very simple trade. Invalidation is closing back above this high here, above this candle, so it's a pretty cheap trade too. I know my stop was up here, but if we start to push back, we get stopped out here for maybe $100. I'm just looking for follow through down now. Retest our previous highs. Let's see if we can stretch this thing out a little bit here. Nice push here. Lots of liquidity. We could come to this low pretty easily if it does want to. Retest the previous highs. A little bit of support here naturally. Key level. I'm going to take that off there mostly. I should have just gotten out there. All right, 275 realized. Leave a runner. I should have taken profit fully here. That's fine. Not a bad trade. I think that's a pretty good trade. Just looking for that rotation back down, retracement. GG's in the chat. There's the weakness on Bitcoin. Weakness on Solana. Solana rolling down. Yeah, good trade. Happy with that trade. You can see the exhaustion up at the highs here. You can see it on Solana very clearly, right? You have that uptrending momentum now, so this is key resistance, right? But like, I mean, the trade was like this, guys. So the R multiple is ridiculous, right? I mean, you're just looking for this thing to follow through. You're waiting for this exhaustion. You wanting to see NASDAQ be at key resistance, right? This SPY failing to push, right? So there's a whole bunch of things on your side here for at least a retracement. It could be a top, but at least a retracement continuation, right? Same with Solana, right? So this is overextended, trapping longs up at the highs. VWAP slap twice, right? Looking to come back for what? Liquidity below, right? Overextended, V-shaped recovery, continuation of the trend, which is down. Right? Bitcoin showing weakness at the highs. Order block tap, retest to previous lows, right? Retest to previous lows. Right here, right? That's your retest to previous lows. Now we're in our buy level potentially, right? So this is where you take the trade to. It rolled over here. We took Solana instead. Very simple trade. And you leave a runner, right? If it wants to run, cool. If it doesn't, whatever, right? If you leave the runner, you make an extra, whatever, $200. Happy days. Up 300 to start. $50, $80, $275. Base hits, baby. Base hits. Looking for support here now. NASDAQ continues to roll over. A little bit of a warning sign for weakness, but support on Bitcoin. Bottoming structure here or continuation down. Fail to break out and retest and continue. Liquidity down below. We have an established high now for our higher term time frame. So we have our high, right? So now can we get a low and a break of that high? This is where we really want to identify so that we can get giga long if we do this. Otherwise, we're waiting. Solana should have stopped me out there, guys. Look, it should have stopped me out there. Oh, man. There it goes. There it goes. Come on. That's okay. Happy days. Happy days. Nice short. Happy with that trade. On to the next one. Bullish momentum holding. Continuation up. Retest of order block on NAS. Continuation up potentially here for bounce and continuation. Into our buy level on Bitcoin. Looking for a pushback here. Solana showing strength. Yeah, not bad. We do have CVD decreasing. See, this is that price action, guys. Like if we roll over here, like that's the environment we're in, right? We take our profits and we see what happens. A lot of the time we're gonna get, you know, that scam wickety that's gonna come back, stop us out, break even trades, all those. So environment adjustments, all that stuff. Going into the weekend, I think there's a lot of nervous energy, guys. Where with Iran and all that stuff, You know, he typically does it on the weekends, right? And the only thing that's open is our beautiful cryptocurrencies. Gets slammed while Donald Trump does his weekend warrior things, man. I used to think I got, you know, a little bit wild on the weekends. I don't do that anymore, but I used to. But Donald Trump, he gets buck wild, man. He's like B2 bomber wild. What's going on, Jenny? Good to see you. Amen. Anki never filled the gap, but it filled it. Nice. Bitcoin trying to go here. Retest to previous lows. Solana holding here. This should fall off a cliff in my opinion. I don't know if you guys are still short from here, but this looks like it needs to do something like that. But Bitcoin showing a little bit of strength here. Same with the Nas. Nas is coming all the way back here and then rolling over. Still waiting. Bitcoin showing strength. Nice push for Bitcoin. Did anybody buy down here? Put a 1 in the chat if you bought down here. Key level of support, buy level. Nice push. Put a 1 in the chat. We need to congratulate you. Of course. Good job, Kuba. Good job, Simon. Alexander G. Cool. Suave. JRMO. It's in the game. Merrick. Hato. Anywho. Trace Spot. Midnight Hammer. It's Orb Low. Ray Orb is in. I guess I haven't put on my orb here, guys. That's all right. I was taking trades, making money. Now we're back. Oh, Orb Low. Look at that. Orb is low. Nice long, guys. Nice long. Choppy here. Solana looks weak. Solana's losing momentum here. That's a warning sign in my opinion. If it breaks this low, we could be going quite lower. But Bitcoin seems to be getting a push. Double top at the major resistance line though. SPY's coming back within the range. Bitcoin continues to try and push. Solana's tempting here to long. Solana's tempting to long. Bitcoin continues to push. See, when I feel the FOMO, sometimes I just put on the trade like this. I don't take the trade. And I just put the trade on like this just to kind of... I'll get pissed off if I don't take it. But it's better than me... I don't trade uncertainty. That is something that I do not do. I do this instead. Maybe you guys can try it. Stop yourself from over trading. I don't trade uncertainty. I do get pissed off though and regret not taking the trades, but it shows me that I'm thinking correctly. Right? There's positives to take out of it. Right? Bitcoin's pushing right now. Bitcoin's continuing to climb, which gives me, and Solana's still double bottoming here, so it gives me reason to think it could push. NASDAQ holding on, SPY holding on, Bitcoin slowly climbing up here, which is ugly, but it shows strength off of a key bounce level. Rotation to the top of the orb, possibility, right? So I'm not taking this trade, but I considered taking this trade. And I'll live with the consequences either way. There's the consequences. That's TP1 minimum. Right? That's TP1 minimum right there. Pink box, baby. Let's go. Yeah, that pink box is printing. Thanks for the rhyme there, Jitit. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day, man. Happy Friday, everybody. Happy Fridays. Orb low off the orb. Nice, guys. Very nice. Nice trade, everybody. Orb low. Continuation up. We can get rid of this order block. This is irrelevant now. Now it's liquidity of the highs. VWAP. That's our next level to get above. If the NASDAQ rolls over here, we could get dump city, man. That's one thing. If we roll over here, we come back into these lows here. NASDAQ needs to continue to climb here. Very choppy this morning. 490 people here, 200 likes. We barely got 200 likes today. I guess I pissed off a lot of people for being mean. Sidney Crosby's not playing in the game today. What time does the game start? Got 8:30 in my mind. It's soon, isn't it? 8:40. My time, not your time. 10:40 Eastern Standard. 40 minutes. Let's go, baby. Are we going to watch the hockey game in the Discord or what? Go, Solana, go. Nice push back here. See, we can see. We can watch the hockey game in the Discord if you guys want. What's pregame? Trading pregame? This is terrible, guys. I'm not touching this shit. No trades. No trades. This is no trade zone. USA women's hockey. Yeah, I mean that was a choke show for Canada, man. Complete choke show in the third period. 2 minutes left. There's the push. Yeah, I'm not happy about this Solana long that I didn't take. Not happy about it. Let's be honest. You guys all took the Solana long. That's You guys all got long off the orb. Great job, guys. Great job. Great job, everybody. Long. Let's go. Long dong silver. Yeah, that's wow, look at the push, man. Bye-bye. There she goes. What the heck just happened? Did we just get an announcement or something? Congratulations on your long, guys. Holy shit. Holy Macintosh. What just happened? Bye-bye. What just happened? My God, something happened. Something happened. Congratulations on your longs, everybody. Something just happened. Holy shit. You guys are all rich now. I really wish I took that Solana long now. Fuck. Holy shit. No trade. Called that low. Now we look back with the regret, guys. Holy smokes, Batman. Holy smokes, Batman. Let's go. I'm getting super chats for spoon feeding you guys the pink box. U.S. Supreme Court issues ruling in challenge to legally Trump's global tariffs. What does that mean? Wow. I mean, I'm glad I gave you guys all that long. Kaboom, kaboom, kaboom. I want you in my room. Well, are we going to be top blasting here? VWAP retest. VWAP retest continuation. Pump and dump. Wow. That's wild. So what is that? Everybody, VWAP slap? VWAP slap continuation trade? Considering along on VWAP here. Let's go. Let's do it. Take a stab. News data. Always take profit quickly. Wow, I wasn't even able to take profit quickly there. VWAP slap. Go. Wow, massive, massive. Push Bitcoin. Stopped out. Wow. Big dump. Big dump. Holy smokes, man. What is this? Re-entered. And I'm out. Made $600. Wild. So what happened here, guys? Another super chat, $20. Let's go, baby. Thank you so much for the super chats. The real Shlee Gates. God bless you, bro. Thank you so much, man, for the 20s. 220s. God bless you. Hopefully you're having a beautiful day. Thank you for supporting the channel. Pump and dump. Pump and dump. I don't even know what happened. They're trying to rig the hockey game. Look at the pink box, guys, up top. My God. The pink box up top, back into the orb, right and back into the range, rotation down. I have no idea. Are you leaving? Okay. I love you. My wife's going to the shop. No trade right now. Still waiting. Maybe Solana long. Maybe Solana long if we can push back here. NASDAQ pushing back. Mm-hmm. Wild times, man. Wild times. US owes a lot of money. You don't say. Nice pushback for NASDAQ here. Stop loss to entry. I said maybe Solana. We got bullish market structure. Let's see if we can push. Come on, soy boy Lana. Go to the moon. Oh, man. News data, baby. Okay. I'm okay with that. So $600 win, $600 win, $1,200 stop out. So break even on this news data. See, this is why you don't trade the news. However, if you do, you can be careful doing it. Army Piper has to adjust his whole entire show now. Another super chat. Thank you. The real. Man, God bless you. Thanks for the 10, man. Keep your money though, man. You don't need to tip. I do appreciate the super chats, man. Well done, Alex. Yeah, it's news data, man. Trading news data is always a sketchy. Orb reclaim, continuation out, VWAP slap. Can it push here? NASDAQ likes it. The NASDAQ likes it. Can we pump? I mean, perfect sweep of the highs here on Solana as well. Sweep of the highs resistance. Trying to hold this red line here. That would be critical. Bitcoin trying to hold orb. I would like a long here, but Bitcoin's looking weak. Bitcoin looking weak here. Rotation down. No trade, guys. Solana's not holding on here. Retest our previous highs, continuation up. Bitcoin trying to hold this momentum, still looking weak, guys. No trade. I think it's about watching some hockey today. I think that's going to be the one. SPY flying. Bitcoin, yeah, weak. Trying to hold, but weak. We'll see. Can it push? Can it push is the question. Or are we going to rotate down back into pink box? Cooling off a little bit here, guys. I mean, we gave the great long was here, man. That was a good job, everybody. That long was awesome. Great job on that long on the live stream. I'm going to send it over to the Piper Academy. Hopefully he has some goodies for you guys, because I'm going to go watch the hockey game with the Discord in about 30 minutes. So have a wonderful day, everybody. Let's sign it off here. And thank you, guys. God bless you guys. Happy Friday. Bitcoin dumping. Congratulations on your trades today, guys. Hopefully you have a wonderful rest of your day. And touch some grass, touch some ass, whatever you're into. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you guys on Monday. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, that of low casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame with a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, that of low casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame with a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade, have another trader, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Traipsing these waters forbidden. Well, indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Traipsing these waters forbidden. Well, indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Traipsing these waters forbidden. Well, indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto.
AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto.
AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto.
What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of haters, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto.
AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto.
AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto.
What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of haters, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto.
AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto.
See what happens at 20.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto.
AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto.
What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto.
AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto.
AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto.
What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto.